This is tech lifestyle expert Carly Knobloch. As you know, families are relying on tech more and more these days, so I've got a few products I've partnered with to help up your tech game this spring and summer. I'm hoping to enjoy my pool more and have to clean it a lot less. A helper robot like the Aiper Seagull Pro Cordless Pool Cleaner is a must. Its navigation tech systematically cleans every inch of your pool floor, and it's powerful enough to even clean the walls. So it's going to remove the dirt, the leaves, and anything else lurking on the bottom. Now all you have to do is blow up a floaty, grab a cold drink, and relax. And you can find this at aiper.com. That's AIPER.com. And be sure to visit killerapps.com or follow us on Instagram at KillerAppsTV for this and a lot more tech coming up.